Keto Diet Zhou Nutrition Keto Drive BHB Salts Review Zhou Nutrition Keto Drive BHB Salts Review Keto Drive is a product whose purpose is to help people who are embarking on the keto diet. It aims to help people enter and stay in ketosis, and aids users who are trying to exercise more and lose weight. But what does ketosis mean, and how can you navigate all the companies that are currently selling products to help you with this? There are a lot of products out there, and it can be tough to make a safe choice that will bring you the benefits you need. Ketosis is a fat-burning process during which our bodies make a transition from burning carbs as a fuel source for energy, to burning fat instead. If it sounds unsafe, you don't need to worry, it's a completely natural process, and there's been a lot of research conducted that supports its conclusion and benefits. In fact, the ketogenic diet, in which you consume a high amount of fats and a low amount of carbs to push your body into ketosis, has been used to help children manage their seizure disorders. Currently, it's still used in this manner but is also well known for helping people lose weight and keep that weight off. However, the keto diet has become a big topic lately, and one of the issues surrounding it is that it's piqued the interest of hundreds of people around the world when it comes to the potential for weight loss. As more and more people are beginning to embark on the ketogenic diet and enter ketosis for themselves, companies are scrambling to fill the void that's been left so far when it comes to products and services that will help people who are on this diet, during which they highly restrict their carbs. As with anything that's a big trend, you need to be cautious, as there are a lot of companies that try to jump on the bandwagon and merely capitalize off the possibilities, when in fact the products they create don't have a sufficient amount of fats or have hidden sugars. These products are not in your best interest, and can in fact throw you out of ketosis if you're serious about the diet. So, how can you tell the companies that are the real deal from the ones that are just out to get your money? It's important that you have all the information you can on a company, and it's important to ensure that this information is accurate, so you can make your own informed decision as to whether or not a company's products are right for you, your situation, and your lifestyle. You can also decide for yourself whether you should avoid certain products. This is an in-depth look at Keto Drive, and what it can offer you. What is Keto Drive? Keto Drive is a line of weight loss supplements that are created by the company Zhou Nutrition. This company has become very popular in the weight loss industry and among people who take supplements. In general, it has a great reputation, and develops a variety of supplements that are very popular and very healthy. The purpose of the company is to help you achieve the benefits that ketosis has to offer, without needing to commit in the long term to extreme changes to your diet. The kind of supplements they offer are meant to fool your body into mimicking ketosis, and to burn fat, however only for a short period of time. If zhou supplements are taken consistently, you can string together those short bursts of time into a healthy and dependable weight loss plan that will help you achieve all your goals. Zhou does not make any type of claim that Keto Drive is a miracle pill, or a cure-all product. You can't take the supplement and continue on your regular diet and expect changes. The supplement has to be taken in conjunction with certain adjustments to your diet as you continue to exercise regularly. Through all of this combined, you can experience a great boost to your energy that will help you lose weight in a sustained manner. In general, many of zhou's products live up to this promise, Keto Drive included. What's in it for me? There are multiple benefits to adding Keto Drive to your daily wellness regimen. These benefits can include weight loss, which is what Zhou is most well known for, and the product wouldn't be so popular if it didn't deliver this aspect. An increase to your energy levels. Keto Drive is often quite effective when it comes to giving a boost to your overall energy. If you work out, you'll discover that you're less fatigued during and after your workouts than you were before. An enhancement to your mental clarity. Like many other BHB salts that are effective, Keto Drive delivers when it comes to getting rid of the mental fogginess that a lot of people experience when they start the ketogenic diet. You should feel very focused and decisive as you take Keto Drive. A boost to your endurance. Keto Drive can give you a higher level of endurance, which will help you achieve the most you can from working out. What are Keto Drive's ingredients? One of the best things about Keto Drive is that it's caffeine-free. You'll find caffeine in a lot of supplements that are supposed to help you lose weight and stay focused, but if you're on the keto diet, it's better to take pills that don't contain caffeine. The ingredient list includes BHB salts, calcium, vitamin A, magnesium, sodium, magnesium beta-hydroxybutyrate, sodium beta-hydroxybutyrate, calcium beta-hydroxybutyrate. What's the zhou Keto Drive ketones taste like? Many keto supplements taste bad, and this simple fact is pretty well known in the industry. Luckily, Keto Drive tastes quite pleasant, and you can choose between orange mango, matcha lemonade, and revved black cherry. No matter the flavor, the supplement is designed to help you burn fat and achieve maximum performance. zhou's keto-friendly blend of patented BHBs were designed to fit the requirements of the ketogenic diet, and it's formulated to increase your ketone levels, athletic endurance, energy, fat burn, and mental performance. With refreshing flavors that mix conveniently and easily, you'll finally get a BHB supplement that tastes good. If you've tried other ketone supplements such as other BHB salts, you know that ketogenic supplements are pretty well known for tasting horrible. Luckily, zhou was aware of this when they developed Keto Drive, and they worked hard at masking this taste. Each flavor you can pick from is a nice flavor that will make you look forward to taking your supplements. If you're sensitive to taste, keto supplements unfortunately might not be all that great for you, but if you try hard, you're sure to find products that mask the poor taste of BHB salts in a great and delicious way, such as zhou is able to do with their products. Does Keto Drive do what it says? If you're looking for a supplement that can support your exercise routine and low-carb diet, the answer is yes, Keto Drive does indeed work. To zhou's credit, the company does emphasize across all its products that users can't just take the supplements and expect a miracle. You need to continue to exercise daily and eat a healthy diet if you're hoping to lose weight by taking Keto Drive. If you simply take the supplement by itself, you might experience some changes and benefits from the product. However, any of these effects won't be as intense as they would be if you were dieting and exercising as well, and they will be naturally reduced. In general, Keto Drive tastes pretty good. If you're on the hunt for keto supplements, this fact is quite a big deal. You'll be taking keto products daily, so the flavor should be important, and Keto Drive is one of the best supplements on the market in this aspect. Is caffeine free? This is another big deal compared to many other keto products. A lot of supplements heavily rely on caffeine in order to give a boost to your energy. Keto Drive is one of the few products that doesn't. The energy you feel from this supplement is completely genuine. You can use it with other types of drinks besides water. Keto Drive mixes very well with both cold and hot drinks, so you can add it to smoothies and your coffee. No matter what you drink daily, Keto Drive is compatible with it. The effectiveness, the absence of caffeine, and the positive taste are among the biggest reasons why Keto Drive is so popular, and why zhou has many followers among ketogenic dieters. If you're on the hunt for a supplement that will effectively help you lose weight and help you stay in ketosis, trying out Keto Drive is definitely worth the effort. You can get a lot out of the product, with great taste, great pricing, and an overall positive effect on your body and mind. What are the results of taking Keto Drive BHB salts? You can find many testimonies from people who have taken Keto Drive and experienced its benefits for themselves. For example, Liz and Brian are two people who have left testimonies about the product and how it changed their two completely different situations and lifestyles. Liz had never done the ketogenic diet before, and was completely new to the idea of cutting out carbs and increasing her fat intake. Rather than dive right into committing to a product, she wanted to complete a trial run first. She was generally very healthy, but wanted to lose the weight she gained from having two babies. First, she developed a plan for dieting and exercise, then she ordered Keto Drive to try it out in conjunction with her healthy lifestyle. As she began the keto diet, she waited until she experienced what many beginners do: symptoms of the keto flu, which is when your body becomes groggy and tired during the transition into ketosis. When Liz felt this, she started taking Keto Drive, and noted that feeling tired went away very quickly, and she was able to fully enter ketosis in just 6 days. Brian, on the other hand, was someone who had been on and off the keto diet for years, and was completely familiar with avoiding carbs. He was very fit and very often in the state of ketosis, so his body was already efficient at burning fat for fuel. In this case, the effect of Keto Drive was more ambiguous. He didn't enter ketosis simply by adding the supplement to his wellness routine, but he did feel that he got a great boost to his levels of energy. Just like Liz, he had a positive experience with Keto Drive. Are there any side effects to Keto Drive? There are two aspects to Keto Drive's side effects. First, it's important to note that what people think are side effects of the product are often side effects of beginning the keto diet itself. For example, the effects are merely symptoms of the keto flu. Keto Drive helps you get rid of these symptoms, it doesn't cause them. In addition, as with any product, it's important to take the supplements as recommended, and avoid taking a high dosage, especially at first. Any ill effects often come from taking too many supplements. zhou Keto Drive Review Conclusion. Zhou's Keto Drive is a great tasting and effective BHB salt supplement for people who are on the ketogenic diet. To be sure you're getting the real, effective thing, you should order the supplement from zhou Nutrition's website, or through the company on Amazon. You'll find a wide range of prices that will fit your budget, and there's something for everyone. Keto Drive is a popular keto supplement, and there's a reason why. It works as it claims it does, and it's easy to add to your wellness routine. Just make sure that you're not taking the supplements by themselves, and that you're incorporating them into a healthy diet as you continue to exercise, in order to experience the full benefits.